but more now on the country struggling with the pandemic as many states hit record numbers for new cases, hospital admissions, and deaths. The CDC is revising its projected death toll, saying 30,000 Americans may die of the virus in the next 3 weeks. Kayla Hartong has more in Houston. Good morning, Kaylee.
More grim news this morning, Michael. The national death toll is rising. It's now more than 18% higher than it was just last week. And here in Texas, all the key metrics are bad. In Hidalgo County, there's a 2-week-long wait list for crematoriums. This morning, the U.S. topping 4 million cases, 1 million new infections in less than 2 weeks. Now, with 144,000 Americans already fatally succumbing to the virus, the CDC with a dire prediction, estimating between 15 and 30,000 more Americans could die over the next 3 weeks. On Thursday, both California and Florida setting new records for their states for the most COVID deaths in a single day. As pictures of crowds like these become more and more common, hundreds gathering for a worship service in Redding, California Wednesday, many without masks and no social distancing. At least 50 hospitals in Florida have no ICU beds available.
You gotta make sure you cover your full face.
On Thursday, officers in Miami Beach began enforcing the new mask mandate, issuing $50 tickets to violators. And New York State, once the epicenter of the outbreak in the U.S., now seeing the positivity rate among young people climbing to more than 13%. The governor saying 30 people tested positive from one 4th of July party.
This is not the time to fight for your right to party. The virus can kill you. And if it doesn't kill you, you can bring it home and give it to someone inadvertently, and it can kill them.
As hospitalizations continue to rise, now back up to levels we saw in April, an urgent need for convalescent plasma donations taken from recovered COVID patients to help those currently fighting it.
They say about 68 people have been affected by our donation in a positive way.
Brian and Dina Murphy answered the call in San Antonio. Brian donating 7 times and Dina 12, both saying they'll keep donating as long as they're allowed.
You barely feel the needle even going in, it's so small. And the thing is, you know, it's just rewarding to know that you've helped other people. And we all need to do that, and especially in these times.
Convalescent plasma among the many treatments that saved Dr. Grant Lashley's life. After 39 days on a ventilator, the ER doctor has spent the past 6 weeks at this Houston rehabilitation facility.
Nice step. That was a better one.
He's relearning the most basic skills, one step at a time.
Physically, things are just different for him now, and they won't always be that way, but it's going to be a long road to recovery.
The next step for this family is reuniting and going home together just hours from now.
I'm happy to see you, Dad. You're the best dad. You're the best dad in the world.
And today, Dr. Lashley will be able to wrap his arms around his wife and those 3 kids for the first time in about 90 days. That family has traveled from their home in Louisiana here to Houston, the world-renowned facility at Memorial Hermann, to bring him back. George.
We're happy for them. Okay, Kaylee, thanks very much.